always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about some Supreme leaks, some sneaker leaks, a bunch of shit I'm gonna go ahead and cover in this video. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to look at the sub count up here. We're so close to 20,000, literally like 2K away. So make sure you go ahead, subscribe down below, bro. Subscribe to the channel. It is free. Matter of fact, post notification shout outs, boom, right there. Thank you guys so much for showing love to the channel. It means the world when you come back, support, show love. Literally means the world, and it motivates me to keep working. The shit that mainly keeps me going is you guys. Whenever you come back and comment on my videos, that's kind of why I always reply to each and every comment, or at least I try to. At the end of the day, you took your time out to watch my video and comment on what I do. Least I could do is comment back. So thank you guys so much. It never goes unnoticed. I just wanted to say that, but without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I wanted to start this video off with a couple Supreme collaborations that I feel like are gonna be happening really soon. One of them being the Thrasher collaboration. I'm gonna step a little bit to the side right here so you guys can see it better, but we do have this Thrasher mock-up. There was a mock-up of an actual picture that was seen of a Thrasher collaboration that should possibly be coming soon. Honestly, I can almost guarantee that there is gonna be a Thrasher collab. I don't doubt it, not one bit. I feel like it's time. They haven't done one in a couple years, and they typically do collaborate with Thrasher. And as far as the actual piece goes, I feel like it's actually pretty cool. I used to love playing Tony Hawk, Skate. Those are one of my go-to games back in the day on the PS3. I think it's like Tony Hawk Underground or some shit like that. Then Skate 3 used to be my shit as well, bro. I would sit there and play that game for hours non-stop, and I feel like this is fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is a piece that I would definitely go for. It's T prices, so like $48, $38, so you definitely can't go wrong. As far as resale goes, I don't know about all that. It does have Supreme branding on the top of it, real subtle, which I do like once again on this piece. But that is the Thrasher collaboration, which might be happening. We don't know yet. That's just my speculation. We also do have official kinda images of the Emilio Pucci collaboration, which I did have mock-ups for weeks ago, but now we're seeing like folded up shirts with the actual designs on it, and this is what it looks like it's gonna be. There's two different colorways as far as the design goes, and I see three different colorways for the tees. The blue box logo is so fire. Both of them are, to be honest. I feel like this is something completely different than what we've been seeing. It's either a cross box logo, weird ass box logo, or some shit like that, and this is organic to what it should be. Just a different design on it, pretty solid, and I am a fan of this. Whenever this does drop, I believe it will for the Milan store opening. I'm there. I want it, I need it, I got it. Hopefully I'm gonna try to go for this though. The black colorway is a banger. I do love the way that it's more monotone and they didn't make it pop too much. It's just a simple artistic type vibe on this box logo, and I am a fan of it, to be honest. I feel like it's something that I would personally wear, and something that isn't just the typical regular ass box logo. This just has a little twist to it, a little artistic juice to it, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely am a fan of that. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about one of the best brands when it comes to removing backgrounds off of pictures. There's this app called Photo Room, which is honestly the best thing you can go ahead and get for removing backgrounds and just making the process easier. It's really beneficial if you're trying to resell items. It saves you a bunch of time when it comes to reselling and listing your items. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the app. Let's go ahead and pick a picture. So as you can see, no capity. Right here I have my Supreme picture, which normally it takes me a little while to go ahead and remove the whole background. I literally choose the image, and just like that, everything is gone. The whole background is gone. So whenever you see these white and gray squares, everything is removed. So now if I go ahead and save this picture, now I hop into the camera roll, the picture should be there without any background. Literally, it took me 2 to 3 seconds to get that done. A process that would normally take me at least 1 minute for each image, within seconds is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and take a picture of the sneaker. And just like that, it starts removing the background. And literally, as you can see right there, the only thing that's left is my hand, obviously, because I'm holding it, and the sneaker in itself. It's literally the same picture I took of the sneaker. It just removes the background completely from it to make it a more clean shot. I definitely feel like this is a vibe. There's literally thousands of templates that you can use to add an actual background to your image. It added like this design to it, makes the picture way more clean. There's literally an endless amount of them that you could choose from. Bunch of different options for listing your items. items. As you can see, there's literally glows that you can add to it, which is also fire. I do like that a lot. It gives it a more flavorful touch, to be honest. One of the best features about Photo Room is the fact that it keeps the quality of the image while removing the background. If you guys are interested in checking out Photo Room, their link will be at the top of the description. There is a free version alongside the pro version, which you can pay monthly. Make sure you go ahead and check them out. The last feature I want to talk about is the batch edit feature. If you have 50 items to sell and you don't want to waste all that time editing your images, you can literally upload, like, let's say 50 images, and it just edits them all for you. Saves you a bunch of time. Make sure you go ahead and check out Photo Room at the top of the description. I will leave a link on there. But with all that said, let's go ahead and get back into this video. We're also speculating that there's gonna be a Supreme Cause box logo t-shirt. So you guys saw how we had the box logo hoodies released this season. Normally they flip the hoodie design and turn it into a tee for the tee drop, and I feel like it's gonna be for the last tee drop of the season. Normally that's what they do. They drop the box logo hoodie or crew neck and they flip that bitch and turn it into a tee. You honestly could expect it, and it's pretty much confirmed at this point that it is gonna be happening. I'm excited to see like what happens with it, because I didn't cook up on the Cause box logo hoodie, and I would love to have it at least in the tee. I feel like that's been my pattern lately. I usually don't get the hoodie or the crew neck and I end up getting the tee version of it. It happened with the bandana, it happened with the long sleeve box logo that dropped, and it happened with the cross box logo as well. I got all the tees, but I don't got the hoodies, which kind of does suck, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I still am a fan of this. If I was to go for it, I'd probably go for the purplish color. The pinkish is beautiful. Those are the Supreme leaks that I have for you guys today. So we do have some sneaker leaks that I want to talk about. One of them being the Union Jordan 4s, which is being rumored that we're gonna get 2 different colorways. I could only find one right here, which almost reminds me of the green glow 4s, if you guys remember those. They released around the time the Toros released, which was one of my favorite Jordan 4s. These right here do look solid though. I love like that tannish brownish color on the upper with the cream bottom. It does look beautiful, and then it does have that green glow on the back tab and on the side tabs as well. This one's actually pretty solid, and I feel like people slept on the first pairs, and after they came in hand they were like, yo, them bitches is fire. Like, even myself, I thought them shits was so ass, and then when I saw people actually wear them, I'm like, yo, hold up, wait a minute, them bitches is fire, and I need to get it. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, I still don't have the Union 4s. One day down the line, when I'm like rich as shit, I probably would end up getting them, but for now it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I would still rather the off-white 4s. Those are probably my favorite sneaker of the year. One day, like I said before, we will have them shits, just don't get it twisted. The Union 4s are definitely a solid pair though. There's also being rumored that we're gonna get a pair of Union 3s, which I did speak about recently. These are fire though. Nonetheless, definitely need those. We do got the 1 of 50 or 50 of 50 off-white dunks. There's gonna be apparently 50 pairs of dunks that are gonna release. I don't know if it's a sample collection or some shit like that, but if he drops 50 pairs of dunks, he is stretching it, bro. Like 50, at least 15, like 50 pairs of the same exact sneaker. How much could you really do with it, bro? You can only change the colors but so much. At the end of the day, Nike is literally injecting us with all the Nike dunks that they possibly can. They're literally digging a hole for the dunks. Like, it's about to be over. People are about to pack the dunks up. Imagine they drop Jordan 1s as much as they drop dunks. It would be over for the Jordan 1, bro. Like, you can only do but so much. But for it's like, bro, everybody and their uncle has these shits. But low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even hit on one pair. You do got the Pollen Jordan 1s, which are the black and yellow Jordan 1. I feel like this is something that we've been waiting on for ever so long. Low-key, all we have are the new Love Jordan 1s, which are mids, and that's probably the reason why they're not as popular as they should be. I think those are solid. I just feel like these right here are gonna be bangers. From what I can see on the leather of these, it kind of looks like this leather. It is soft, don't get it twisted. This shit is plush as shit, but it's like a little too tumbly. I love these shoes though, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but these Pollen ones are gonna go. Obviously every pair of Jordan 1s is gonna go. That's just the way that it is nowadays. These are flying. I think these are releasing at the end of August, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really know the exact date. If I do know it, I'll put it down here. Those are fire. We got one more pair of yellow sneakers releasing in August. Y'all should know by now. Y'all should know. The Lightening 4s are dropping on August 7th. August 7th. That's probably one of my favorite sneakers this year. We had Raging Bulls. We had a bunch of sneakers release again. They retroed a lot of heat, and this is my favorite one. The yellow on these is crazy. This shoe right here is it. I remember seeing this shit on people's feet. I need these. I'm paying $400, $500 for these if I have to. Like, I love the yellow on these with the gray. There's just a lot of 4s that I feel like go unnoticed, and they need to bring back those military blues. I'm debating on picking up a used pair, but I feel like they're gonna do something with those soon. 4s are coming back, and I feel like if I buy a pair, there's gonna be a retro of them shits like a month down the line. That's why I'm afraid of picking up the military blues and the Raptor Sevens. I heard that the Raptor Sevens are coming back next year, which actually might just be the last leak that I have for you guys today. The Raptor Sevens are rumored to release 2022. I know we are still not even halfway down 2021, and we're getting leaks for 2022, which, hey bro, it's over for the game, bro. I need 2 pairs minimum. Like, those are so beautiful in my opinion. Raptor Sevens, I feel like a lot of people sleep on Sevens, but there's actually a couple bangers in there. Fire. I feel like it's a silhouette that does go unnoticed simply because they dropped the True Flight. If y'all know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, and it kind of like tainted it a little bit in my opinion. But low-key, that pretty much does it for this video, man. If y'all enjoyed, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, man. Let's not waste no time. It's right there. Just subscribe to the channel down below to support the cause. It definitely does mean a lot. Whenever y'all come through, show love. That's the most important thing for me. If you end up enjoying these videos, let me know by leaving a like and just commenting like, yo, this shit was fire. That's all. That shit means more than you would ever imagine. But with all that being said, let me know if you would like more of these type of videos where I talk about leaks that don't just have to do with Supreme. I add a little bit of sneakers in there, a little bit, you feel me, a little something extra. Let me know in the comments. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.